Everyone loves a bit of DIY. Well, some people love DIY. That feeling of building something with your own hands from the ground up can bring a great sense of accomplishment. However, we've all had our DIY nightmares. We've taken on that task that's just a step beyond us. We don't have the skills, experience to complete the job at hand, and we have to call on the experts. The world of technology is no different. The ever-emerging market of microservices and API-based toolkits enables organisations to build their own virtual assistants. However, before you take that plunge, please consider the following points. A VA is not a technology project, it's a customer experience improvement project. Do you have a team of UX experts experienced in building conversational-based assistants? Engaging with a VA must feel natural and low effort for your customer. Do you have the domain experience of building a VA in your industry vertical and with your customer demographic? What does success look like in your vertical? What about the end-to-end customer journey? How does that look for your customer? It should complement your existing contact centre ecosystem, offering the VA on the right channel at the right time for the right customer. But the VA can't always answer all your questions. What when the VA can't answer a question? How do we then move that contact to a real agent with a seamless escalation into the channel of their choice, ensuring a joined up journey for your customer? In terms of ongoing optimisation, the VA must be treated like a real agent. It must be trained, coached and evolve into the role, offering more and more services for your customer. This requires both optimisation and operational skills and technical skills to continuously improve your virtual assistant. Finally, the VA is your brand, your digital personality, offering 24/7 service to your customers. What if that service fails? Do you have a 24/7 team offering support for that service? In their experience, organisations will succeed in building a DIY virtual assistant, but this may take up to 18 months or longer. Why not call on experts who have experience in delivering value to your business within 3 to 6 months?